What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change delivery date on Amazon. So changing the delivery date for your Amazon deliveries or packages here is actually quite easy. So this may or may not be available to you depending on where you are, but we can actually refer to a specific article here that is specifically published by Amazon themselves. So to change or to reschedule your delivery day here, to be speaking, you just need to go to your orders, and you should see the reschedule button available in there. If in this case changing the delivery date is available in your region. Now you could go and just basically select the another day here. So use the calendar, which time, and just click on confirm in order for you to submit the new scheduled delivery. So yeah, so just an example, you could go to your orders at the top right here. Just look for the order that you may want to basically change the delivery date for. So you may need to select the actual order, but if you do already see the reschedule button immediately in here, you can go and just press that, confirm the date here, just click confirm to save your changes. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.